Whether you're preparing for a weekend in the woods or the ever-impending apocalypse, having survival gear you can depend on is critical. Should the time come when you need to use it, whether that's due to a wilderness excursion that went wrong or an unexpected natural disaster, you'll be glad you have it. Time is of the essence in a grid-down scenario, and having things like medical supplies, fresh water, and basic survival tools readily accessible can be a matter of life or death. Every so often, you may find yourself behind the wheel of a car with the dying batteries under 2 volts cannot be jump-started using your boost default mode. Instead, using the manual override feature will allow you to force on the jump start function for a weak battery. Be warned, both the spark proof and the reverse polarity protection features are disabled in manual override mode. Double-check the HD battery clamps are connected to the correct polarity battery terminals, then press and hold the manual override button, a red exclamation point icon inside a red circle, for 3 seconds. The white boost LED will flash on and off, indicating you're in manual override mode and you're ready to jumpstart your vehicle. Ever been out camping and wish you could charge your laptop? The GB70 can power an inverter with its 12-volt powering capability. In recent years, Zippo has introduced a number of survival supplies, and they continue to refine their product line. Their new emergency fire kit is a major upgrade from their older, lighter-shaped fire kit. This water-resistant tube is made from tough ABS plastic, making the kit durable while keeping it light enough to float in water. The EFK features the same trusty Zippo flint wheel that is made in the USA for their lighters. It's even replaceable, though you'd probably never have to swap it out. The flint wheel is rated for 1700 sparks. The kit also comes with 5 wax-soaked tinder tabs that burn for 5 minutes each. These tabs will catch a spark, wet or dry, after shredding the end to expose a few fibers. You can also use the hole in the tinder to place it on a stick, easier to insert into a fire lay or move around. If you do happen to burn up all of your tinder tabs, they're replaceable as well. The LifeStraw Universal Kit comes with a 2-stage filter, 2 different sized caps, and a leak-proof lid. Compatible with most Nalgene, Camelback, Clean Canteen, Hydro Flask, Under Armour, Gatorade, and other standard bottles, the replaceable microbiological filter removes 99.9% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites. If that wasn't enough, a replaceable activated carbon capsule removes a number of chemicals and improves the taste of the water. All materials are FDA approved, made from food-grade silicone, polysulfone, and ABS plastic. The kit includes a wide mouth cap, standard mouth cap, sport mouthpiece, standard mouthpiece, 2-stage filter, and carry bag. The modern term refers to a weatherproof bag that is used in the wilderness or in an emergency setting to provide shelter, typically for one person like a sleeping bag. Enter the tacked bivy emergency sleeping bag from Survival Frog. This tight-packing bivy is made from our Heat Eco trademark thermal reflective material to hold in your precious body heat. Like a space blanket, these remarkable materials can reflect back as much as 90% of your body heat. A bivy can be used in conjunction with a sleeping bag to create a more weather-resistant shell or a heat-reflecting liner, or the bag can be used as a standalone shelter. Items like these have been on the market for years, but as materials improve, their weight keeps dropping and their effectiveness is increasing. If you've looked at survival knives, you know they can vary greatly in both quality and price. Patterned, high-friction grip sits comfortably in the hand for greater control, safety, and performance, especially in wet and cold conditions. Every now and then, there is one that meets the demands for a reliable survival tool weapon at an incredible price. The MORA knife is now the best price. High-quality Swedish steel is razor-sharp and exceptionally tough. Stainless steel blade stays sharp longer than carbon steel and is less prone to rust. It comes with 4.1 inches length, 8.6 inches overall length, and 0.1 inch blade thickness. In this context, the PocketRocket moniker refers to an ultralight camp stove that is perfect for backcountry hunters, long-distance hikers, bug-out preppers, and anyone else who may need to cook a hot meal quickly while off the grid. The PocketRocket 2 is half the weight of the first version, and it can boil a quart of water in only 3.5 minutes. Of course, you'll need a fuel canister to provide the heat. Isobutane propane fuel canisters are designed to fit this stove, and they offer great temperature and altitude tolerance. Once the self-sealing fuel canister is screwed into place, using the stove is a breeze. The serrated pot supports can hold a variety of pots and pans. The adjustable flame can go low to simmer food, high for a fast boil, or anywhere in between. A quality hatchet can be a true lifesaver when it comes to building shelters and processing firewood in a wilderness surviving setting, and it's darn handy when you're just camping in the local woods too. If you're looking for a small axe that can tackle big jobs, check this one out. Designed by Vietnam veteran Elmer Rausch, the new CRKT Pack Axe is a tiny titan. This beautifully built camp axe is made with 1060 carbon steel that is hot forged into a very durable blade. It also has the bonus of a hammer pole for pounding in steaks and such. Tennessee hickory is the wood of choice used for the hatchet handle, and it comes lacquer coated for a longer lifespan. The Ringo Fire Kit from Live Fire Gear combines 3 great products into one fire-friendly pack. The trio starts with a hot sparking ferrocerium rod. Next comes 25 feet of fire cord. This 8 strands 550 cord has an extra strand that is highly flammable. Just cut a short section free and pull out the red strand for a volatile tinder material. You can also get a Live Fire Original Emergency Fire Starter. This small tin has a fuel-soaked wick inside which burns for 30 minutes with the lid completely removed, and much longer when the lid is only partially opened. Place the live fire tin under your kindling to start a campfire or use it as a candle. This sleek kit is a great fit for your camping gear, vehicle, tackle box, disaster kit, or bug-out bag. Headlamps are a great tool, giving you light where you need it and allowing you to work in dark places with both hands free. The Black Diamond Storm headlamp is a waterproof, multi-mode headlamp with 250 lumen maximum output. It offers a bright beam for distance light, as well as strobe and dim modes. It even has green and red night vision modes. The slim design holds 4 AAA batteries for a long burn time, and a 3-level power meter shows the remaining battery life. The dustproof and waterproof housing provides you with a durable light in the event of a nighttime emergency or any other time you need hands-free lighting. They'll burn in a downpour. You can even strike them, stick the lit match in a glass of water, pull it out, and it will relight like some kind of magic trick. But UCO isn't a one-trick pony, and those remarkable matches aren't the only tool they provide for our survival. The UCO Stormproof torch can take your fire building to a whole new level, blasting out flames from their patented triple jet system. This pint-sized blowtorch is actually a refillable butane lighter, and it's one of the fiercest on the market. The triple jet torch is windproof and waterproof with an adjustable flame to conserve fuel. Each lighter holds enough butane for roughly 700 ignitions, and it ignites with a piezoelectric ignition system that is rated for 30,000 uses. The UCO Stormproof torch is a fire on demand even in the wettest weather. What is your opinion about these gadgets? Which gadget did you like the most? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.